What's going on, everyone? Hope everybody's having a great day. I'm actually on my way down to I guess it's called like a car show. It's hosted by Adams Polishes, I want to say. So yeah, guys, we're heading down to the Rocky Stadium right now. So yeah, it should be pretty cool. I think last time that they did a meet like this, it was pretty poppin'. I didn't actually end up going, but I saw about it on social media, on Instagram and stuff. So we got the BRZ out today, and yeah, should be a pretty good day. The weather it's a little gloomy, it's a little cloudy, but the weather's actually really nice. It's almost 70 out, which, I mean, Colorado, that's pretty decent. I actually think the meet, or I keep calling it a meet, but it's more of a car show. It's right underneath of this little tunnel. So maybe, yeah, I turned on the nice light there. Yeah, guys, here we are. If you've never been to Colorado, or if you're not from here, this is downtown. This is like one of the main entrances to downtown. There's the Rocky Stadium. It's a pretty cool downtown. I honestly don't come down here much just because I'm not into, like, I don't know, clubbing or bar hopping or whatever. But I think there it is. Oh, I don't know if you guys can see that, but that's where we're going. So yeah, should be pretty cool. I guess earlier I said it's hosted by Adams Polishes, but that's not true. It's hosted by Auto Wash. Well, guys, here we are. We've made it to the car show. I guess it was a little hard finding parking, but towards the end it was pretty open. So here we are, backside to the Thai bar. With the carbon wheels, it's crazy. This thing's clean, guys. I've actually always wanted one of these, but never happened. Look at the seats. The GR Corolla. Thing's super clean. And the S14. What do you guys think? 13 or 14? Let me know what you guys think down in the comments. I think both are super clean. I think I'd take the 13 though, to be honest. These wheels are crazy. This is dope right here. Guys, one good thing about this truck, you never gotta wash it when you come out to a car show. This thing is sick. This looks like an old beat up truck, but I bet you there's so much money into it, like as far as the frame and everything engine wise. got the big dogs out here. Check out this chute right here. Right now, guys, we're actually heading out. We're gonna go just go on a small cruise with one of my homies out here. They all got Audis, so I mean, I'm in my BRZ, as you guys saw, probably the slowest car out here, but so no runs or anything, but I'll just film some rollers of their Audis because they're pretty clean. Well, guys, hope you all enjoyed the video. I had some fun going out to the car show, you know, getting to show off the BRZ for a little bit. A fun little cruise with Ivan and his friends in the B5s, the S4s, even though I had to be flooring it the whole time to keep up with them, but still fun. Thanks for watching, and if you guys like the video, just leave a comment down below, you know, leave a like, and if you're not already subscribed, that goes a long way. But also let me know what you guys want to see in the future. If you guys are into like kind of this type of video where I go out, you know, go to a meet or a car show, whatever, show you guys some of the cars that are there, or if you guys like more working on my car, you know, things like that, just let me know down in the comments below. Trust me, I read all the comments. It's not like it's a lot of comments, but I do read all of them and I try to respond to all of them. But yeah, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.